What is up, guys? Vertex 87 Productions here, back with another video today. Now today I'm going to be unboxing a JDM Sparco backpack. Came all the way from California. And today is actually my birthday, man. September 3rd, 2004. I am 14 years old. Now, if you are a huge fan of JDM, this is the perfect gift to get for you. Now, we're going to unbox it right now. So here's my piano. Don't matter about that. Now here is where it came from. Came all the way from El Monte, California. Now we are going to unbox this thing now. All right. If I can get this thing out. All right. So let's just lay this on the piano seat right here. Oh my gosh, this is just so legendary. Look at these racing straps. These are huge racing straps. Now look at this. Ride. We got this huge bag right here. This is the best gift that any person of a JDM fan would get. Now we're gonna open this up right now. Oh my god, it's kind of hard doing it by myself. Hey, can you be quiet up there? Sorry about that. Oh my god. I'm blessed to have a great family. I'm blessed to have a great birthday. It's awesome. Oh my god, I can't even get this out. Hold on guys. We will be right back. Okay, now I have got my Sparco JDM Bride backpack out of the package. There's the package. Now here it is right now. It is just beyond brilliant. Look at this. I heard that this is like waterproof as well. Oh, look at here. It says JDM, Japanese Domestic Market. So now we are going to open it starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I have gotten the bag open right now. So here we go. It is a single zipper backpack. There's another one where you can keep like your wallet or phone or something, a patch. And right here is where you can put all your main stuff. In this second pouch back here, you can actually store a backpack here. There's a little Velcro thing that you can open right here. As you can see right there, if it's bright enough. And this is just a great backpack. I was trying to get like a red one, but it's more expensive. So I was like, you know what? I'll just go with a black one. Stuff. Man, I'm just grateful for this backpack. So anyways, guys. I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys like the video and you guys subscribe. Wish me a happy birthday. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and peace.